Therefore, Yamo Bibia, Jomo Bibia Kwaba. Ediba African History and Heritage TV so. Yebedo ba dia se ode ene day acheyen. Saa so na yebesre obo ade nchen shira edem African History and Heritage TV ahwefo ne atiefo nyina. Sebribia ide content etumo a mo hwe na mo subscribe like na mo share ma afoforo nso enya kasebo bi etie. Saa so na beto akoso ede nchia a ene kabia ama yena na osajefo osiade yo Dr. Fridua Ajimambadu ena yena na Dr. Afram Brempong a oyesu mama hene. Saa so na nchia no bi enkoma yena na abase man hene. Efise na nanom emani a beda no na bedi so ena yede ho kaseboi ebremui na se tisade a na yanchia na nanoma na African History and Heritage TV ya ye aniamo ho kese pa enunti enchia kese enkoma ye na nanom yesen a yabo bedini odofo yen hyehyɛ no na eguso African History and Heritage TV ya kanchrew ya bonkae dada se Asante Confederacy na nanoma bewo bono East Regency mu ene adehia bewo ahafo region mu emre bisun ya beka se benko Asante Confederacy bi ofise broni ene beti ku no ma besebe nkono besantro krata ede koma broni se wo na obeka kire se yenkoku no na ne yehunu ne yete ne hawa ye fomunti enya de ye betuma kobi otintontan enti ye ne Asante Confederacy eton kwanta ya pai na nanom ne kansa asem no ena bekote Bono Champion Federation enti senia nkrofo binum eta kan se mo fi Asante Confederacy no no ede amamre na mo ye ene ne kro ne ba no amamre no na igusu a ye de kiremu nenne no ya bedru doma asemu a doma odeto krata so ekoma Chief Commissioner of Ashanti se Asante Confederacy no wajai won kobiu one Asante Confederacy eton kwanta ya pai na yebetie ne nananom doma atrankunya ekae o 1951 ne yasane atie ne nananom abasefo ekae ne yasane akotie ne nananom suma fo nso ekae efa Asante Confederacy jaya na bajaya no eho asem orofo na menche ho no mom yenko asem a ye nana doma hene osiade yo Ajimambadu odikan one na trankwia asem a be kruchire group krata so de koma Chief Commissioner of Ashanti se bajai Asante Confederation no also statement of grievances of the Doma state in relation to the Asante Confederacy now styled Asantemain, showing why Doma state cannot be a member. Also, as evident from Exhibit 666 in the draft memorandum on the proposal to restore the Asante Confederacy, a copy of which is hereby annexed and marked A. The Doma state, for historical reasons, did not join the proposed Asante Confederacy and was unwilling to adhere to the restored Confederacy Council. Indeed, by the intervention of the Chief Commissioner, Major Jackson, to take part in the formation, Nana Yeboah Afari, upon an invitation to attend a Durbar for the governor at Kumasi, duly attended, but there arose a friction between him and the Asantehene, which was patched up at a social function given at Manshia. From and after this event, Nana Yeboah Afari did not take part in any meeting of the Confederacy Council until his death. Ye nananom domafo eka ye ne se Broni Asante Confederacy no kra nanke yempese eko ye twere de bro 1933 se yenko wona o convince yen se yenko ne yenka bumku a enye nhye ena yekoye na yekoye no nso no ne yehu ye no na chese yetramu a enye yi enti ye nana yebo ofori emre bi atwam one Santehene enya kasakasa ewo dwabo bi ase efri honum kono ye nana yebo ofori a nana jimombodu dikan obedi na de wansi hobio now yenkoso reasons number 5 reasons no dia doma ema ye ne doson pa na yebe yim na ne ano ehyepa no na making kind or say Bron Council or a committee of the Bron State. Doma belongs to a group of states within the Ashanti Protectorate, which are usually referred to as Bron, and part of which is now in French territory known as German. The Bron State comprises Doma, that is Wampamu, Bana, Chechimai, Nkuranza, Wenchi, Atebubu, Abasi, Brekum, Mo, Drobo, Suma, and Suyatre. The people live in one compact geographical area belonging to one identifiable tribal and language group, share the same economy, and have developed recently on similar lines as regards cultivation of cocoa. They have similar problems and similar hopes and fears. These Bron states are normally between 60 to 100 miles from the seat of the Confederacy Council. It is considered in the interest of Doma people and of their Bron neighbors that a Bron Council or Committee of Bron in the Ashanti be constituted for the Bron people to control and direct the affairs of their local government. Neoka yene se Bronfo nkrofo bi a bakuakuo no bi ne Bana, Techima, Nkuransa, Wenchi, Atebu, Abasi, Brekum, Mo, Drobo, Suma ne Nsuatre. Sa nkrofo nyina etebenso na efri bekrum eko asantimanso owarpa na sa nkrofo yi a nipaku ya wabobobedin be nyina ba no akobenkrum se bebetiku bi a yefa se Bron Champion Council of Chiefs na nesantino enyade a akwa ba akobetuma somawura no mienu ntino tintuntan efri sabre no kono enyade a ombetumi ajoine Asante Confederacy ebio na momuyenkwe ne to aho a domafo eka ho ene ne amedebe or say land questions. Since joining the Confederacy, certain lands originally belonging to the Doma have passed from the Domahene into the hands of certain other chiefs who serve in Kumasi direct. Tepa lies in a place called Abampredase. The people of Tepa live on Boma land. In ancient times, the chief of Tepa was the son of Domahene and therefore a part of the Abampredase land at Boma was given to the chief of Tepa. Part of the land was not given to Tepa. Recently, Tepa has granted timber concessions on part of the land not given to Tepa to a timber company. The Domahene sent for the Tepahene and queried him, but his reply was that it was the Asantehene who compelled him to give the concession. The Domahene placed this matter before the Asantehene, who strongly repudiated the statement that it was not he who caused the Tepahene to give the concession and offered to summon Tepahene for inquiry. But up to now, this has not been. Native of Abohina said Tepa Doma Asase na nananum domafo eka se bedwan ne confederacy no Santehene fa kwan bi so de ben sase a na ewo abampredase boma area ho ehhehye Kumase ahemfo binom nsa enam saa so ma ne ba oye Tepahene ma di kana kan ho ahome so se ahima baafo no ye Domahene ne ba o ne kotena Tepa ena Kyeremegyana ono so kotena boma ehwe so ena Kyeremiskafo ono so ebetena abisim na nka Tepahene ba nanso no Santehene efo nyansakwan bi eje asase a ewo Tepa de koshe Kumase enkuru no bi ase eno so na eye kwadu a na ode bo Santehene na akire no hu se Tepa hene no ode concession ama timber contractor bi a otwamu timber ofre no ebo ne kwadu eno kan se Santehene ne de ma no okobo Santehene ama ne Santehene deny se nye nokre na mpo obefre Tepahene no na ode na aka na Domahene so bo no a ankosiaga enti wei ehye na horoba se no confederacy asisi wom sa no de enya de obitmatram Abisim lands. Also, in regards to Abisim, the chief of Susanso has been attempting to take away from Doma state land belonging to the state and to hold the same in the interest of Kumase clan chief. These attempts have alarmed the Doma state, and the prolonged nature of the dispute affecting them has inspired little confidence. Or say Abisim land, Abisim for also asasi bi eye Susanso for hajake sa asase no a be de koshe Kumase atrankonwanu bi ase na sa asemi so o de koto Confederacy Council nanim obono a chese council no antimi anka asem no amma no kredi anyeden anya adwuma ene santi Councillor Otimua no kredi enya adwuma wo mu no ono Nana Domahene enya de a obetumi atena saa council no mu entitin time Chief Commissioner of Asante Okrata ni adu a wabo enti enya de a obetumi ayeden obetumi atena Asante Confederacy no mbio otresa akrata we as far back as in 1951 Sabrekwa na independence mile na yenkoso oye krata we so free BRG 1/2/104 and also ifri ye nananom suma enchen na yentie emu nsemo also we don the marked nananom kwabnatechi the kronti hene osuma Kwadwo boy the Akwam Hene of Suma, Chene Kofi, representing the Abakma Hene of Suma, and Kwadwo Kranten, Chairman of Suma, now assembled at Techimai for and on behalf of the new elected Oman Hene of Suma, Nana Kwabnaframo the Seas. The Suma state have this the 23rd day of April 1951 joined the Bronze Champion Federation, that we, on behalf of the new Omanhene, Nana Kwabnaframo the Seas, the Suma Division, and posterity hereby declare that we have withdrawn our allegiance to the Asantehene and membership from the Asantmai Council accordingly. That we are now member of the Bronze Champion Federation, since Suma is Bronze State, and not Ashanti State, that all previous documents and papers sent by ex-Sumahene on behalf of the division to Asantmai Council are accordingly nullified and non-binding on the Suma division. Dated at Techimai, this 23rd day of April 1951, and signed by Nana Kwabena Techi Kronti of Suma, Nana Kwajo Boy Akwamu of Suma, Nana Twene Kofi Abakma of Suma, Nana Kwajo Kranten Chiame of Suma, addressed to the Chief Commissioner of Asante, Kopitu. Nananum Esumafo nso Asia Techimai, and that was 23rd day of April 1951. And a bedbensa share krata say, Sabrede, be ya bonofo, na be ya bonofo de a, na ya kote bono kua ye friend of Bono Champion Federation, as far back as 1951 de a. Na che say, Sa Federation na sa nkabom kuo no, bonofo nkabom kuo no, bina obejoine. Eti free ne krono tintunta bene Asantmai Council etum anasa Asante Confederation achiri ebe dane Asantmai Council no etum kwanta wono apai na nanoma abesan krata no ene Nana Kwabena Techi oye Kronti hene of Suma, Nana Kwajo Boy ono so ye Kwam hene of Suma, Nana Twene Kofi Abakma hene of Suma, and Nana Kwajo Krantina oye Chiame o Suma ena bedwensa share sakrata we ase edekoma Chief Commissioner of Ashanti in 1951 and sana Ghana age independence no na Bono Champion Confederacy yate abonofo atibeku abefriend Bono Champion Confederacy Council. Now yenko yebeko nananom abase nananom atrankunya na yentie ne nananom abase fo kaye nananom abase fo de ebe letters no kra na yemiensa emaku etrebi yufu nso trebi na nananom atrankunya na mumientie or say resolution from the elders of Abasi to the commission to investigate the Bron Ashanti case. Also, one, whereas we, the undermarked, are counselors and custodians of the state of Abasi, and whereas we had suffered very much under the cruel domination of Ashanti, who have sold away our children into slavery, killed hundreds of thousands of them at their cruel funeral rites, detained many of them as their own slaves to attend to them, thereby enlarging their population and decreasing our advantage. Niananam abasofo eka yen se beno atete abafom ewa asantefo nsam asantefo beto hye beso na beche bema ede be konkwaso mu na binom so ayeba se sante ni wu a bechi binom na be kotwitwa beti na binom so beye benkwa no sa anioyi ya na be de shebe no edaso ewo betim edaso ewo badwenim enunti na be twesa akratai. Now paragraph 3, and whereas we have struggled very often to throw the Ashanti yoke away and had on several occasions retreated and renounced the struggle that continued till the British interceded and prohibited wars among the different tribes and set up a new rule of justice, and whereas we have ever been loyal to the said British government and have even condemned through the advice of the said British government to enter the Ashanti Confederacy after all the other states have joined the said confederacy, and further, whereas we have realized that the shameful plight we have been put to by Ashanti, who claim direct ownership of us and who actually is lording over us. Nititian say, or say, anioye ya Asante niso or de share abasefo na be pese be kon eji be fa ahudie be kon several times so bantimi anye be fa ahudie na kwasi broni free abrochire ebe kon ti Asante ma asante bubu kodo to na eno nam so a aba asefo nya abefa ahodie no se a broni krono a ene san ekotu befo se benko join Asante Confederacy ena bekoe na anioye ya no ana ewo Confederacy no munti no ene day a 1951 be since ansakra tese Asante Confederacy de ben no etun kwanta papai. And whereas we have now broken away from the said cruel treacherous domination of Ashanti and have formed a better federation of Bono Champion Federation that stands for equality of all, we hereby resolve that we how to manage our own affairs. No say, na yen no yen free san shesro yase ani oyi ya free ase na nanom ya bete Bono Champion Federation na ejina equality of all. Say yen nyina ya baako na obia entimi nkwahwe obi so no ye ka kire mo say ene dai buruni wona de Asante Confederacy by tintunta yankobio that we are out of na ya yebetuma yede ya yebetumi adi ehonso that we are determined not to join a council whose decisions are dictated by superior members or say na councilor ono yekwa decision po ayebebo bia enkrofo bi no mo a benu be fi se be ya kesefo no na bebopo na pono abebebo no be ma yen nketo anu so ya no nuru dwam no de enya de be join. The Bron and Ashanti are always rivals who can never work hand in hand without undue strain put on one attempt made to persuade us from our decision shall be taken as a reproof that we are incapable of ruling ourselves without the lording of Ashanti, that we are demanding nothing more than our genuine rights of liberty to work and our own salvation when we urge His Majesty's government for official recognition of Bono Champion Federation. And finally, that Ashanti is for the elimination of Bono land to safeguard our interest. Bono shall ever remain Bono to develop in her own Bono way, socially, politically, economically, and educationally, to regain once and again her ancient glory that made her Bono Champion. This day, 28th of July 1951 at Abase. Ne nananom Abase beka ne se sebe ye bonfo na beti Bono asase so de na bepese ba betumpon e wo ba manyosemu sukukrom ani bibiam no sebe ya Asantefo ase a enya de bebetumpon da enti every nekro ba yibe ho afri Asantefo enhyeso ase bensom sikadwa bio bensom santehini bio ba bebetra ase na badi bekui na ba join the Bono Champion Confederacy ne no ene de be puntuo ebeba yenkoso ba be sinsan sakrate na nanoma trankonwa be san sakrate wi eye kwasifi adontenhene kofi buanya representing Kronti hene kwaku fokuo twafo hene kwaku baane ankobia hene kwasi yankamago jase hene kwajo fokuo benkum hene kwabransafo ochiame safoi ene de bensa she krata wi yase ifri na nanom abasefo na nanom atrankomia ahimfi ede koma Chief Commissioner of Ashanti. Nana Hema also added in the also, or say a resolution from the women of Abase to the commission to investigate the Bron Ashanti case. We, the undermarked, being representative of the women of Abase Bron, assemble at Adaprase this 27th day of July 1951, do hereby resolve for, and on behalf of all the women, that we have the bitterest memory of Ashanti, who had fought so many battles against us, killed so many of our menfolk, taken away so many of our dear children, and forbidden us on the pain of death to mourn for such irreparable losses. Ɔse yɛn nananom ɛma a yɛwɔ Abase, yɛhwɛ atete ne yakom, asantefoɔ ntɔkwa a bɛde ataataa yɛn, aku yɛ mmarima yɛkunom, na ba tabiri yɛn koraa ɛde bɛkɔ, na ba ku binom, na bɛsan bra yɛsum sɛ yɛ mmarima a ba ku bɛ ɛne yɛ ma ba ku bɛ bɛma yɛnsu atete na yɛfam no yɛka sɛ yɛne asante ebetumi ahwe abom bio a na nyɛ nokre. 2. That we fear them because of their hideous atrocity. Nananom se emayo bre yesuro asantefo efi sɛ bɛyɛ nkrɔfo bi a betim di nipa ni yie pa. That we will never find it easy to cooperate with them because we feel that we shall only be happier under Brunchempem. Or say, yen dear, ye nimse Brunchempem, ye kojoina, ye de ho kodon and ye nibeje, that we therefore fully support our menfolk to break away forever from the cruel domination of Ashanti. That we fervently pray that the Bron shall ever remain Bron to take her right place among the different tribes in the country. Dated at Adaprase, this 27th day of July 1951, signed by Nana Adwoa-Forjo, Queen Mother, Abase, Obapani Afiatoa, Obapani Afianum, Obapani Akusiatoa, Nananom Ahemaso, near Bekuchire Gukrataso, Ekoma, Chief Commissioner of Ashanti Nono, or say, atete aba fom entino asante niso pa de lalai bene asante tunkwanta Abase emrante ne mabawa mabunzo be dekrata bi ekopi so ne ebe nananom atankunwa aka nananom ahemanso akan mrante anase mabuni be so betwire bi de koy na yenti na ebeka. A resolution from the use of Abase to the commission to investigate the Bron Ashanti case. We, the undermarked and the undersigned, being representatives of the use of Abase Bron, are sent at Abase this 23rd day of July 1951, do hereby resolve for and on behalf of all the youth, 1. That we are the ratepayers of the division and therefore the direct source of revenue of the said division. We as ratepayers have a bold say in the disbursement of the said revenue. That our past connection with the Ashanti had been nothing more than exploitation, suppression by Ashanti through various means. Emrante mabunu nebeka ene say ye mabunu yetuato ade bia edis kaba bia ye mabunu ye ne ye ho jim na esan suppression Asante a ye ne ho kodo ye ne asisi a bede sisi ye ntino ene ye ne Asante to nkwanta ya pai. 3. That we had never wished to join Ashanti to discuss any problem with them, since our problems have never been common with theirs, because it is impossible for the sheep and the wolf to stay together in safety and long. Or say, nananoma Abase for niebe kan say, hey, na odwane pataku de enya de abebetimi atena abom. Enti no bene Asante for de enya de abebetimi atena bom bio. That we wholeheartedly support natural rulers for the noble and bold move they have taken to break away from Ashanti and further, that we never cherish the very idea for a moment to join Ashanti or any council of Ashantis. We are Bron and only Bron. Be support near nananom atrankunya ede koma bruni no mabru so etwere bi ede tache American kan say be so betana nananom achi say the decision nananom but take no be so betabachi inti bim break away from Ashanti be na Ashanti tunkwanta ba fighting tuntan. That we are confident that Bron Champion Federation alone can save Bron land, and that we will stand firm to support this noble federation to achieve for us the lost prestige, and that we will stand firm to support this noble federation to achieve for us the lost prestige of our honored grand ancestors. Babi sinsan yini abase Kofi Boanya, papa se Atakwasi, adaprase Kwadofofie, Brape Kwasi Mensa, Krobo, Kwabnatua, Daman Kwanta, Kofi Amodin, Hiampe, Kwakufi, Bupe Proso, Kwaku Mensa, and Famai Asuboye Montukwa, Kwame Sono, Eni Saima, Saunkuri, Famai Asuboye, Ene Montukwa. Order for subscribe na share. Nama atifo ne adofo nkae enti kaseboya yede aba anumre. Order for akinkansem no yede aba wiye. Na nananum ede ankro krata wi ekoye no. Achire na chief of commissioner of Ashanti. Nensa kan no. No ka se esa ne tie dia obebo ne ho modene na wayeden one Bron ahemfu ye ahia se obetuma akasa akyerebe na bayeden batwe batu hantie no asa na chi ana na oni be hia decision be take here no eno na me be kinkan e de akyeremu. Now, Chief Commissioner of Ashanti, Osoma an Assistant Commissioner, Emone Ahemfui ACI. Now, Bron Ahemfui, Asema Bekaye, and Chief Commissioner, Otre Hon Reporti, or say the Office of the Assistant Commissioner Gold Coast Police Force, P.O. Box 27, Kumasi, Ashanti, 9 February 1951. Arbitration between the Domahene and the Asantehene. At approximately 9 a.m. on the 13th February 1951, representatives of the Asantehene, namely Mampohene, Asumajahene, Swamihene, Achempemhene, Mr. C.E. Osei, and a linguist of the Asantehene, met Mr. Canham in the district commissioner's office to settle a dispute between the Asantehene and the chiefs of Bron, who are Domahene, Techmahene, Nkransahene, Drobohene, and Abasehene. After Mr. Canham, Brunino, a chief commissioner, se nka omesiesi asem no oni your friend Canham. After Mr. Canham had explained to all the chiefs the object of the meeting, the Domahene remarked bitterly about treatment given to him and his fellow chiefs. Among other things, he said that during the Deba at Kumasi, the Asantehene had locked up his silver stool in a cell, which meant that the whole Oman of Doma had been locked up in cells. He also said no scholarship has ever been awarded to pupils in the Bron state, though the state paid the annual tribute tax regularly. Also, that about 9 months ago, he was given a memorandum by the Asante man to sign within 5 days. And when he asked for time to enable him meet his fellow chiefs to discuss it before signing, the Joabin Hene said that he had disgraced the Otumfuo for not doing it at once what he was told, and he was ordered to pacify Otumfuo with 7 sheep. This annoyed him, and he left the Asante Hene's palace without giving any sheep. Ose, Mr. Canham, Asia, Domahene ene ahemfwa, befri Techiman, Nkransa, ne drobo ne abase no. Kwa dua, ye na Domahene osi adeye wa jumambadua odika edito banim nese. Scholarship we, Asante Confederacy Scholarship we, bonofo betuya bi, isi scholarship we ba bemma bibi, na Asante fo no, benko abaye dem bafa. Ne tosu mienu ono Domahene, ono ode ne silver stool de ko adwabo ase ewo Kumase oduru ya si ape ena Asante Hene oma na chiamefo eni abrafo eje silver stool yi ne bedbe ko hye dani we ede enumgu ase kese pa eka Domaman no nyina akire ena bede krata bi ehye ne nsem se onsan no se na me Confederacy Council ya me doing mi jina Domaman ananim nti atisade amoma me mfa krata anu nkodoma na me ne mahemfo no nyeden enkokan mu ansana mosan okansa no Joabin Hene wantiase oso wo gotumfo animase enti esese be otue dwane mako nson be kansa no na hye na Domahene ahroba ena utwifa beso wansi Asante Hene ne palace ho bio na hemfie ho bio ewo manhia. On his return home, he informed his people and the other chiefs of what had taken place at Asante Hene's palace, and they all agreed to withdraw from the Asante Confederacy Council, now the Asante Mai Council. The Domahene concluded his speech by saying that the Bro State sent several petitions to the governor, CCA, and Asante Hene himself, notifying them of their withdrawal from the Asante Mai Council, and also that the state will not serve the Asante Hene anymore, and whether the government accepted it or not, it will not make any difference to their decision. All the chiefs of the Bro State rose when the Domahene ended his speech and left the meeting. It is clear that the Bro chiefs will not serve Asante Hene. Signed by Assistant Commissioner of Ashanti, Gokos Police. Commissioner, copy to Commissioner CID, Goko Police. Copies to His Honor the Chief Commissioner of Ashanti, ASP/SB Kumasi. Now, Mr. Canham, Ekuchiabeno, near na Domahene on the Kasae, or say a day yard Mombodu near Odikane. Ne oka yene se, bedie a hawa bafom, near Tete abafom, ewa Asante Confederacy numtino. Bedie be ka asi Mr. Canham a oye Brunia, Chief Commissioner of Ashanti, uyi no so ne sa ahemfu mehia na omma be kasachire no be ka asina nim se tinton time bene Asante Hene eton kwanta bapai enya de a bebe sum manhia bio na se aba no gitumo wanji antumo bedie basema abaka ne baka nti na Domahene oka asasi aposi ade adwumbadu the first wa no sorry ye otutu ne ntoma gu so na ahemfo a bono ahemfo a na betu nyina obia esoreye ne beka se bedie basema baka enoa ne baka tintuntan be ne sante hene ene manhia ene Asante Confederacy etonkwanta bapai odofo subscribe na che nama afoforo so entie kaseboy bi sorry if you say kaseboy eye adutwam mu edepa minoya bama unsinsum ansa na wayeden waham ena bama oye kompa yene kese non kasa ajijim Asante Confederacy anananum kwe ba ne bekwe dodo no akase benko ne broni dia krokro o yenko join ne eye region ye kan bom se be yampuntu beba sika na ye gine bono ha nyina ne ye de bi kwa Asante enti Asante Kumasi development akoso ho schools oba sisi ewo Kumasi dodo no abonfo esika ka ho nanso according to nananomba no asema odofo makenkan wati asisie a na ekohonti ekoso ewo Confederacy no enti no nananom eka se benyede benkubio na minua se ukonkwa asomase na se unya ofa ahudie na se osanta biru ho ekwa na wo sene opese ye kanchero sene opese ye kanchero Sante hene sika we yina ojejeyo oji good free bonofo ho sene ya mo amutie mo asumi momma bedebe ko Kumasi funeral na noma abasefo aye edura Sante hene bi wa yesefo babra enkotwaniti na yede no ko ende kura myakura hu bi da yete se Sante hene wa me ma me de bi ankofo mu okwa bebecho otase sa teti we nyina be fam bonfo mo fam enti se wo peman hene na se Sante hene odi ho adanse se sa nipa simasi we ana o hene simasi we asom mepen enti soma osum menti no mentwere bibi ni ne ho adanse na odi ho adanse a eye papa bi a eboroso mebisa bona hemfo mebisa eye papa bi a eboroso eye papa bi a eboroso wona nanom de be mobia kokon atintim na henie wapia sika ko de ama no ena wasana ye den wapia sika Asante Confederacy veterans in 1935 up to 1951 Trobia na bejeje no bono ha bia na ye de be se 1/3 ekwa Asante region ko develop wo why sa de we nyina de asom Sante hene ana Asante fo na no twa letter say som na wasom into me di ho adanse say je abari nipa simasi nna na nante pe ntim ni nom ti hwe ho na pijano mane independence a minua eye papa ne ebroso a enunti obesane abo enunti akotena nkwaso mu bio na chiami bi kura ondu sewo na otiatian na okwa plastic chair kura yeso hane na meet no be kwa hotel dana obedem ene ne kronba think about it. Independence in danger is better than servitude in tranquility. Na ne ya wom ne se wa wako as and my council mu no Sante hene me de beba e wo ha ni nyina wo ha or listening sase a na jape kruma no de jape krum din ahye ho se jape kruma sase ye na sase no de sampa ahye sampa sase e golden stool lands na wa list se won sase no e ye ne de Nkwasum no wafrim. Ufrim. Nkwasum no woda so tim. So think about it. Woda so tim nkwasum no. Or listeners ase e de akoma abania na odu dina him jape krum akroso ajade basa onyina mena media dance ma aban eye den epija wo munti be ye mensa ase na ote ho na wo hwe na de ote ase ote ho na wo hwe na se ote akunwa so na wuwa na edu se be si hena na ono a o manipulate o hwe hwene we oyobi abono sem woni mu a na pakene nchen nso bi a ono na ma oye de hye na odigya to kuro no minua we na bonofo mote ho we na bonofo mote ho enti bonofo nyame ne bo bonofo se monye nkwa forever and ever wo de nnekura no a asantifo brebe penkabom na binom bete asanteman council mu no hwe abefo kasafidie ntenten so asante blogger he kasafia be kafa bonofo ho mo ye nkoa ya yusumo mo ti se eno ne beka be mu da wiase wo tim na wanye ade na be manipa bu a o mu because o sore a wakotena ne council mu nka odi adanse ma no waka che ne se ma boa o so wa boa nti eye no boa nti wa boa ma nti mba bi mi dim kui because abane bod man hena na se kire ne se o de wo fa ahudi ama abane age wo fa ahudi atum na obi a o fa ahudi ya jatum no o san kotena nkwaso nnum bio minua no bonofo si nipa bebuwa yese oye ade a ebe ma nipa bu na se wanya ade ebe ma nipa bu a o mu bio na ne ye mawere ho pa eye tanosu brinkrumo eye nchera tuo bodom ofuman tano boase nom ne ade mo mabosom ne edu odwira sante hne ba ebe sane nsuo enti mo na mabo asante man ho bana spiritually na mwa ben ne obetim de aboa nipa chance wo bone ho ban e wosunsumu mebisa enti wo bone ho ban sunsumu no se unye ne master ono ne ye o master wo bone ho ban sunsumu no o ka kire wo no se wo wa bosom kra ye ne dia wo ye ne dia wo no som no think about it wo ye prophet no a wo te ho a wo ye onyankamade ebo ne ho ban no senka wo no ye master nso ode wo no wo som no wo ya akwa think about it bonfo monhwe mo wiesu nyame bo na wamfa ukoko not we ani juma atemu adakora nyame be den nyame ebebisao so independence in danger is better than servitude in tranquility mabu mobe nti mo amosore amotetim no sante hene ne lands wa listed ba be kwa Sandman council meeting o say no wa listed o golden school land no wa listed be nyina se na sase o ti ase o ho adanse a wadi nti wa sase na sase na kina bi gold pie ho no ba se man 1/3 no mfanko kura ne mane o wa Asante regional na o kase wo manoa na no so akoye amanson enti bonofo nyame ne boy se yenya kwa ma Asante anase de anase Yesu ban ko se tikasa tribuno trefo a otena bebum fa bene think ni port wiase a think use you are coconut. Otherwise, atimwada nyame ebe bisao. Mede kobobo na ba wiye subscribe na share. Ma bonofo nyina entie bi. Wote ase. Ba bia wo bia wo bono ne bono East region mu a. Ma wani nye wo bono ho. Ma wo bono sem ehun hia. Na wa magana man so ehun hia. If say bono no ewo Ghana man no. Edu ma bono sem no ehia. Na wa magana nso ehia wa. Etese ne a sabio wadi to na atoki no wanya nsu ano. Eti ma wo bono sem no ehia. Na magana man so ehun ye den ehun hia. O wa brochira ba bia wo bia. Na mefa sa kwanya we so. Na medenchia ne nase ekese ama doma de she konkron bia. Metel ne TikTok ene Facebook nom ene abefo kasafidi ententenswa ye frene mama ba yes eye historian Kojo Agyeman ma hu se oyo back kudrofo enti mechiao bebre yano nyina ye be kan bom page abonoman me starting me media encounter me ne Brahim fu bia hia me ne na sumahini hia me ne na adomahini hia Brahim fu mu ne ubia hia na me ne na adomahini ye hia kura mfa adwene na nkrofo be kama abe ye twika na ye hia na mdim history mpiane law no a ebe ano be ya hye papa me ne no so be hia na mdim history no piane law no ne yakukuru bonoman e dia kɔ bɔhye asase no so a enye asemkotoa ye be hia na bronchempem kuo no de bronchempem council no de ye de aba awie na adwuman ehia adwuman bia ni ho ye hufuo na adwuman bodu otosumbi no onye hufuo oyem senior e wodomas meso menye hufuo history nim so aye ono so kosua law na history nam de support ne law no a na wa odibe ba besi no yebetwa na obetu piga atiefo a high African History and Heritage TV subscribe na share nama afofronso enya binti enya binhwe medamase mema moniti adehye